Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel MG Global. Today I am going to present you a super spacious premium residential project which is located just 5 minutes driving distance from Dakshineshwar metro station, and the project is located on the bank of river Ganges, the most premium project in the vicinity with having high-rise towers, and we have delivered phase 1 with 4 towers with a height of ground plus 11 story, and the project is having all modern super luxurious facilities and amenities. We have already given possession of phase 1 with clubhouse and every amenities. So let's get into this master washroom space. This master washroom is a very big size with having a almost size of around 12 feet long. Yes, you heard it right, 12 feet long by almost 5.5 feet. The separate space it's given here, this is the basin space here, and this is another space where you can have your washing machine. So everything is placed very comfortably on this, and the 3 BHK what you are seeing right now, it's having a sellable area of 1750 square feet approximately with a magnificent view of Ganges. And let's see, so when you are entering into this apartment, you can see this side is your first bedroom with attached washroom. This can be your guest bedroom or your parents bedroom. So now let's check out your most important and loving part, that is your kitchen. This kitchen is having almost a size of around 11 feet by 10 feet, almost having a size of a bedroom itself. And not only that, this is the window, how big the window it is you can see, and from this window you can clearly see the Ganga river Ganges and the Dakshineshwar temple also you can clearly see from your window itself. This is just opposite to the Dakshineshwar temple. The project is located on river Ganges, and this is the basin space. Again a U pattern platform have been given with separate spaces and utilities. Every utility we have kept very nicely. And now I am going to show you the main apartment. This apartment is having super luxurious, super spacious living cum dining space. As you can see, this is a separate dining hall just beside this kitchen space with having a 8-seater dining table placed over here. So you can easily create a super spacious dining, and above this you can create a chandelier space on this side, and this is the window where you can get lot of sunlight, natural lights. So in the morning itself, so it's almost evening, almost a time of a sunset, then also you can see that much of light is coming in on this show apartment. So you can see this is a separate living hall. This living hall is having a size of approximately 20 feet long by almost 14.5 feet with a 10-seater dining table. Why this is most important to you? Because most of the time you can spend your daily routine on this living space only. So with your family and friends, with your loving persons, you can sit and relax and enjoy your full day on this living space. And the most important thing is that this living space is also having another cross ventilation window for natural sunlight and the view. And from the living itself you can see river Ganges. And this is your TV unit which is very perfectly located just opposite to your living space. Under this you can create lot of space for your storage. You can have beautiful showcase space over this side just beside your TV unit space. And this is another space where you can decorate a dressing unit if you want, or a crockery set, a beautiful cupboard space also you can create. And the most important part of this apartment is that this apartment is double balcony with having a sun deck. So this is, as I have already told you, this is a high-rise apartment with a magnificent height of G plus 11 story. So now you can see this is your sun deck. So let's explore your sun deck from here. So this sun deck is almost a height of around almost 150 square feet sun deck space, and from this sun deck you can see the lovely view of the complex. So from here you can see this lovely view come inside this terrace. So from here you can see this lovely complex view. So lot of amenities and facilities are ready, and most of the amenities are placed very beautifully on this project. And right now what we are showing you, this tower, new phase, this is phase 2, Oceania. So this is phase number 2, and the phase 1 is already completed and given handover. So you can see the lot of car parking spaces in open. So come inside again on the sample apartment. So again you are entering into this sample apartment with a wow feeling, because the living cum dining is so big, so spacious, and you can see the main door is also very much visible from this side also. And this portion you can also create a showcase space, and you can create lot of storage space again, or you can keep a table on this. So with a Buddha, so Lord Buddha is blessing you all the way in this apartment. So now come inside this second bedroom. This is another butterfly layout. This side is your second bedroom and this side is your third bedroom. So this can be your kids bedroom or your master bedroom, whatever you like. Behind me, this is your common washroom space. So let's enjoy your kids bedroom. So this kids bedroom is having a size of almost 11.5 feet by almost 12 feet. This is also very spacious one, and this is cross ventilation window this side, a French style window. Again, a cupboard space have been given. It's a big full length cupboard space again. A queen size bed have been placed, and the most important part of this bedroom is that this bedroom is having ensuite sun deck space and also a washroom space. This sun deck is having another space of around 70 square feet in length, and this is the master washroom. So this master washroom is having a space of around almost a space of around 9.5 feet by almost 5.5 feet in breadth. So it's very spacious again. So now I am going to show you your common washroom space. So this portion is your common washroom. This common washroom gives you a wow feeling because of this structure. It's so nicely decorated. It's separate space for your shower. Again, wall mount commode has been placed. All the CP and sanitary fittings are from Jacquard, and separate basin space have been given inside this washroom. And this is your third bedroom. This can be your guest bedroom. So this bedroom is having another size of almost 11 feet by 11.5 feet. Again, square in shape, exactly square in shape, and also this kind of covered space you can decorate. So inside this bedroom space also we have given you that much big cupboard space here, and a cross ventilation window French style. Now I am giving you the project specification. The project is having commercial block, separate commercial block, and multi-level car parking space. The project is having total 50 plus modern amenities with 25,000 square feet of clubhouse space, and we are having a dedicated retail space also, on which you are also having pantaloons which is already existed in the project. Second, we are having Reliance Smart Bazaar, and the third one is more supermarket, hypermarket is also present. Pizza Hut is also there, KFC is also there. So this is the most prominent landmark on GT Road. Yes, I have mentioned it that this is GT Road. This project is situated on GT Road, Grand Trunk Road, which is the first national highway of India. And also the project is having uniqueness of Ganga facing. So if you are really looking for openness, you are really looking for closeness with nature, so this is the project where you can buy an apartment for peace, tranquility, and your fulfillment of life. So that's all about this project. Now I am going to just present you about 2 BHK and 3 BHK sizes. So our 2 BHK sizes starts from 1030 square feet, goes up to 1060 square feet, and the pricing of 2 BHK all in, including car parking, GST, extra charges and everything, starts from 60 lakhs onwards. And for 3 BHK, for 1250 square feet onwards, our pricing starts from, including one car parking plus GST plus additional charges, starts from only 72 lakhs onwards. And this one, this is the biggest of all. This is with having a size of 1750 square feet with double terrace. This option will cost you all inclusive, including one car parking, extra charges, maintenance and GST, everything will cost you around 1.45 CR. So for more details, please call us only to our number, because we are giving you 4 things. Number 1, our services are absolutely free of cost for our customers. So you do not need to worry about about any kind of brokerages on any broker. So we are not charging anything from our customer. Number two, we are giving you bottom price guarantee deal. So if you book through us, we will guarantee you the bottom price. If anybody can give you lower than our price, then we will give you double price benefit from our end as a discount. So number three, we are giving you 5 years legal assistance and marketing support. That's also free of cost. So do not miss out these options. And the last one, we are giving you a surprise gift for your loved ones on the date of booking itself. So to know more, please support us, please comment us, please feel free to ask any question, whatever you want, and keep in touch with us. And I hope that you are doing great on your perspective fields, and you are all already are respected personalities in the society. I know that you are very established persons. So we are caring for you. You are very special for you. So thanks a lot for supporting us, loving us. Keep supporting, keep loving, and please give your feedbacks and responses. Thanks a lot. Have a great day. See you soon. Goodbye on the next video, and Jai Hind.